Hey, it's Keith. I'm sitting here with one of the real estate agents that I work with in Nashville. This is Shannon Ryan, and we're actually having a conversation about self-directed IRAs and investment real estate. And so I think using your 401k, using your IRA, converting it to what's called a self-directed IRA, and being able to buy real estate within that is a pretty awesome tool that a lot of people don't do. And I've actually never chatted with someone that actually has done it. So tell us a little bit about what you did here. So you had a 401k from a previous career.
Yes.
Right? Converted that to an IRA and decided to buy a piece of real estate. What'd you do? What'd you buy?
Yes.
What's it look like today? I think it's super cool.
Yeah. So I actually had a very savvy investor friend of mine who told me about this. And because we were complaining back in 2021, we're just sitting here watching our...
Your 401k?
401k.
Was it a 401k at the time or was it an IRA?
No, it was IRA.
It was an IRA, yeah. Okay.
So we're just sitting there watching it just deteriorate basically in front of our eyes just month after month.
Because you don't have any control over it, right? It's invested with somebody else. Yeah. It's like a 401k. It's in stocks.
Right.
And you felt more confident in real estate.
Yeah. So her and I were talking about it, and we're like, there's got to be a better way. This is our retirement. This is our future. We need to be in control of this.
Right.
So, she started telling me about a company called IRA Innovations. They're actually out of Alabama, but they have a Brentwood location here.
Okay.
So she directed me to the contact there. He told me I could just roll that IRA into a self-directed IRA within their company, and I could buy real estate with that. So that's what I did. I bought a little studio condo in close to downtown Nashville.
Right.
Paid cash for it with the IRA, and then I started renting it to traveling nurses.
Oh, so you're doing midterm rental with the traveling nurses. So you're actually getting more rent than you would if you put it on like a long-term rental.
Absolutely. I did the math on that, and if I long-term rented it, I would only get like $1,300 a month.
Okay.
But I'm easily able to get $2,000, $2,200 a month.
So awesome.
And it's paid off. I mean, I really don't just have maintenance, utilities, and things like that.
And you're paying no income tax on it because it's all contained in the IRA.
Yep.
It's an amazing way. So if you're sitting on a 401k that you kind of don't know what to do with, aren't excited about, you love real estate, you can actually convert that over to a self-directed IRA, use this company, and go buy real estate within the IRA.
Yep.
Don't have to pay taxes when you convert it. Don't have to pay taxes as it grows.
Yep. And then you're in control of your own future.